Welcome to the Seismic Force Base Shear Interactive Calculator, which determines seismic forces acting on structures according to ASCE 7 standards. Let's start with the Calculation Mode dropdown, which offers 5 options. Calculate Base Shear V, Calculate Effective Seismic Weig W, Calculate Seismic Response Coefficient Cs, Calculate Fundamental Period TA, and Calculate Response Modification Factor R from Base Shear. We'll select Calculate Base Shear for this demonstration. The input fields include Seismic Response Coefficient Cs, Effective Seismic Weight W, Base Shear Force V, Spectral Acceleration SS, Spectral Acceleration S1, Site Coefficient FA, Site Coefficient FV, Response Modification Factor R, Importance Factor IE, Fundamental Period TA, Building Height HN, Building Period Coefficient CT, and Period Exponent X. For our example, I'll enter Cs as 0.150, W as 5000 0, SS as 1.50, S1 as 0.60, FA as 1.0, FV as 1.5, R as 8.0, IE as 1.0, TA as 1.2, HN as 120, CT as 0.028, and X as 0.8. After clicking Calculate, the results show Base Shear Force 5 equals 75,000 pounds, or newtons. Applied coefficient is 0.1 Building weight is 5,000 pounds, or newtons, and status confirms base shear calculated per ASCE 7 equation 12.8-1. This calculator streamlines seismic design calculations for structural engineers. Find the link in the description below.